I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need the right account and a known app source. Open Settings or Admin Console now and locate apps or permissions. Tap the target app to view requested capabilities so you can decide. Once visible, make sure to note sensitive scopes like location, camera, contacts. Those need extra caution. If changes affect many users, draft a brief rollback plan. Otherwise, proceed to grant only what the app actually requires. You now adjust each permission precisely. Choose per permission toggles and avoid one-click full access grants. On mobile, prefer Allow only while using app for location and camera. On desktop, approve file or network access temporarily. Don't elevate to admin unless necessary. If the app requires background access, weigh battery and privacy trade-offs. Once done, test a key function to confirm the permission is sufficient. If not, reopen the permission pane and refine settings step by step. You finish by restarting the app or device to ensure changes take effect. Then verify critical features work. For example, send a test notification or upload a photo. If something breaks, toggle the permission off and on and confirm app updates aren't blocking access. Make sure to document any permission changes and revoke extras afterward. One key troubleshooting tip: if a permission refuses to stick, clear app cache or consult system privacy log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.